Fox's $100,000 secret sound.
We have Olivia from South Morang and Anna from West Footscray here in the studio. Girls, hi. So you both submitted your guesses on air yesterday, and we know one of you has correctly identified the secret sound. So one of you is about to walk out a very rich lady.
And what was your guess yesterday?
It was closing the punnet of blueberries.
The winner of the $100,000 secret sound is Olivia from How do you feel?
She is crying. She is hugging everyone around her. Her family, Fifi,
friends come in.
Walked into the studio. We will, as soon as the emotional and understandable reaction has just calmed slightly, we'll get her. It's a big group hug now. It's a big group huddle. The disability care worker who does such great work every day has deservedly won $100,000.
So this is my best friend Lauren. She is my boyfriend's sister, so that's how we met. And we've been best friends for a while now, and we were working out the guests together, and I was the one who managed to get through. So
you're going to split it?
yeah, we're splitting it.
So Fev, if you could reveal the little twist in the tail.
Anna from West Footscray's out there eating blueberries, not frozen, because that was her guess. She's part of the marketing team at Fox.
Of course.
So that was a setup. So
She was a plant.
Oh my goodness.
When the girls walked in, they all sat on the couch, and I watched you look at her and was like, "Oh, geez, I hope you're wrong." But you were always right, so she was never going to win.
She was
never
a
gonna
plant.
win.
She was not even an official guess.
Oh my goodness.
It was so we had a lovely moment with you, but we would
thank
never,
you.
in reality, bring you in here and send you home.
Oh my goodness.
And you're 22. You got 2 young babies.
I do.
So $50,000 will be amazing. House deposit. It's going to change your life.
Absolutely massive, yeah. House deposit, pay off all our debts, and it's incredible.
$100,000. Well done. You've done it. Let's do it. 8 here at the Fox with Fifi, Fev Byron.